Most founders I talk to are impressive in real life and completely invisible online. That gap is exactly what this channel is about. You've thought about starting a podcast or a YouTube channel, maybe you've even tried. But the editing, the publishing, the consistency, the managing of all the pieces, it kills the idea every time. So you stay invisible while your competitors build authority. I'm Michael Reynolds, co-founder of 320 Creative. We build and run done-for-you podcast and YouTube authority platforms for founders doing $1 million or more in revenue. You talk, we handle everything else. This channel documents exactly how we do it. The strategy, the real numbers, the failures, and the systems. Every week, we publish 2 videos, harsh truths about what actually builds authority as a founder, and a full, transparent look at building this channel from zero in real time. If you're a founder who's ready to stop being invisible, subscribe. Let's build this together.